In order to add our favicon, which is this little icon right next to your name in the tab, normally you would go to Appearance and there would be a Customize tool. But in full site editing, it's no longer there. So you can access the Customize tool by putting in the name of your website slash wp-admin slash customize dot php question mark, and it will show up. But I'm going to show you how to do it the new way. Go to your appearance, click on editor, which will be your full site editor. Now you want to click into your navigation bar and you want to click the plus to look at your blocks. Now you're going to search for site logo, and once you find it, you click on it and it will allow you to add your site logo. Now I've already added the logo, so it just automatically went in. But if you want to replace it, you can hit the replace button and open your media files and find your site logo. So here is my logo. Actually, I had the wrong one here, so I'm glad we did this. So we're going to select it, and now we have it. And I'm going to make it a little bigger. And I'm going to move it around later, but for now, I want you to see that it's here. Now you can look, make sure you're in the Settings tab here, and look down, and it has a question asking you if you want to use the site icon, use the site logo here as your site icon, which would be your favicon up here. Now I have a special favicon already in my folder, so I want to add that. So I'm going to leave this as no, and I'm going to click this little link, which opens up the Customize tool and allows you to add your favicon. So click on Site Icon, click here, make sure you have your favicon, hit Select. If you want to crop your image, you can do so now, but I like it the way it looks here. So I'm going to skip cropping, and I'm going to publish. Now, when you look up in the tab, your little favicon is there. So we can close this now. Now we want to go back to the full site editor, and we don't have our logo because we didn't save it. So we're going to go back to the tab where we had the logo, and we're going to hit save, save, and now let's refresh, and you can see we have our logo and our favicon. Now we just need to move it into the place where we want it. Now I want this to go up here, so I'm going to click open this to see what I have, and my header is a group, and I have rows, and I want this to go to the right, and I want this to be on the left. So I could do this a couple of ways, but the easiest way is to click on the site logo and just literally drag and drop it here. And now I want to click on this, and in the navigation bar, I want to take the whole navigation bar and add it here. And that's not working. So let's try another way. We want to we need to get the site logo into the rows. And then we need to get the navigation Click on that. It's over here. And we want that to go into the rows as well. And we've actually clicked out. So there's a little bit of a learning curve to this. So what we want to do is we want to put this in the navigation here. Let's try to get this like so. And then the site logo. I'll just put it here. Now we have it where we want it, but we want to switch these. So we're going to click on this, move it over, and shazam, we have it the way we want. Now we're going to save this. Make sure I change a stick. And I'm going to close this out, and I want to view this. I want to view the site, and now we have it looking where we want it. We still have to do some editing, but we have our site logo, we have our favicon, and we have our navigation over here.